What's up guys, JD Nevels here. Welcome to another repairs day video, and we are replacing a light bulb and position bulb or position light on 2009 Chevy Cobalt. It's kind of easy, 10 minutes altogether, not even, and the whole thing is done. So first thing first, there are two 7mm bolts right there. Take them out. Second thing, let me show you. All right. This one is over. You're gonna have to do, let me show you right here on this other side. All right, so there are two this little plastic pin things, bolt nut things. So you want to take the top one off. All right, spins fairly off. Right, so now you can pull this thing. All right, so there's another 10mm nut on top of that you're gonna have to remove. So you remove those two and the light pops off. Just spin to the right or to the left to unlock, and it's kind of hard one-handed. Should take that apart. Alright. So, as you can tell, this one is dark and it's 3057. That's the size number, part number 3057 right there. And you got another one, just plugs it right in, and you can tell there's water coming out of this thing, so maybe that's why the lights keep on burning out. Great. Just kind of plug it in and put everything back. 10 minutes done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know in comments what you thought about the video. Thank you.